Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this Mini. We have the controls all here, a thumb wheel to select Navi. It's the bottom one or the nearest to at the front on the right. So click Navi there. Then if you click the thumb wheel across, you'll see these arrows pointing in all directions. Click it across once, click it across twice. You've got destination input. Then we wind up to destination input. Click select. Place and postcode. Click select. Now we've got the thumb wheel here, which is really good, the easiest way of doing it, a lot quicker. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, P R. Now then we have to, everything else is highlighted, but at the bottom here you've got 0, 1, 2, 3, which is quite dull, so you have to turn it down to get the numbers until it then selects around it. Click OK. Then we are PR5 4. It's defaulted back to letters J S, and it's defaulted to OK, so we select OK. Obviously if it's not OK, then you go back, and we need to just select start guidance. Click OK.
Please follow the road for 2 miles.
That's it. That's how you set the sat nav.